Greetings, I'm Norva, and welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go ahead and get into your energy to see what the heck you got going on. Take a resonate, leave it does not. If it doesn't apply, or you let it fly. What y'all got going on though? Oh, it's okay. Okay. We have Starseed. Let's go ahead and clarify Starseed. So I'm speaking to a Starseed here. Indigo child, rainbow baby, or rainbow seed, or star, rainbow child, diamond babies. What's going on? Clarify the Starseed energy. What's happening? I'm seeing happiness, joy, expansion. There's an energy of you guys having this energy of joy, happiness, and oneness, enjoying your own time. Clarify star seat in paradise. Yeah, it seems like an energy you guys enjoying your own time. Self solitude or something like that. Self love energy. Yeah, protected. You're being protected. You are protected. I could be speaking of a man, a masculine, could definitely be significant. Men are victims too. Why should I give a damn about someone who doesn't show me love back? So we could be speaking of a masculine, or we could be speaking with speaking to a feminine place, whatever way, because this a feminine can be in her masculine energy place, whatever energy is fluid. I'm saying that they shamed you with an energy. Okay, so it seems like there's an energy of somebody shamed someone, gave someone an STD. I don't know. I feel like something has happened and it has caused some sort of transformation within you guys. Because after a while, you started looking into physics, quantum physics, or there's an energy of you stepping into your energy of spirituality because of a traumatic event that has happened. But I am definitely seeing an energy of you guys being protected. Okay, wait a minute. So something has happened that caused you guys to, step into this energy of oneness, this self-love, this solitude energy, where you are enjoying your own energy, knowing your self-worth after somebody played with you. And it also opened doors to your spirituality. Wait a minute. 35 men are victims too. Oh, wait a minute, this is upside down. Men are victims too. Oh, this is upside down. Oh, that is upside down. Men are victims too. I feel like somebody may have let down their guard. Someone folded on their beliefs. It's almost like an energy of having the benefit of the doubt. And it's also talking about an energy of health problems, which has caused some sort of health problems within you. I feel like whoever you were entertaining was very immature and childish, and you was already urged to listen to your intuition. You're very thoughtful, introverted energy, quiet, psychic abilities. I'm seeing energy of someone moving, having foresight, making plans to move forward. Yep, after betrayal, Seven of Swords, deceit, lies, trickery, cheating, underhanded behavior, and dishonesty. Eight of Cups, I see you guys abandoning whatever plans you have and letting go. Withdrawing your energy due to a disappointment. Let's go and clarify. They shamed you with the STD. What is this? They shamed you with an STD. They shamed you with an STD. I'm seeing lies being exposed with the Two of Swords in reverse. It seems like there was an energy of indecision. I feel like there was a lot of this person may have caused a lot of delays, especially when it comes to you seeking the truth or wanting some sort of truth. They shamed you with an STD. They shamed you. They shamed you. Yeah, I'm seeing somebody like leaving, freedom or freeing, starting a new beginning in their life, just leaving. Someone could have Earth in their chart, Taurus energy. I'm seeing an energy of conflict. I'm seeing arguments, fussing, fighting. Yeah, and somebody feel experiencing some sort of loss. There's energy of sadness and grief with this shamed you with an STD. Shamed you. Yeah, it seems like whoever this person is you thought was trustworthy. But in the end, I'm still seeing an energy of you being someone who perseveres. Mm. I see you guys receive some sort of news. It may have something to do with like a new job, a job opportunity, or an increase in income. Mm. I'm seeing with this page of swords, I'm seeing somebody watching. It could be this person watching you, or this could be an energy of them just simply being curious of and see what's going on in your life. But again, I feel like this person possibly will not know much because you have this protection here. And I'm seeing you're in this energy of unbothered, so you're not even worried about this person at all. Let's go and clarify seeking physics. Clarify seeking physics. Seeking physics. Seeking physics. With this Four of Pentacles, I'm seeing an energy of holding on. Someone holding on, being very possessive. I'm seeing an energy of wanting some sort of control, possibly wanting financial stability, financial security. Somebody has fire in their chart. Aries could definitely be significant. It looks like somebody's going through soul searching, some sort of spiritual enlightenment, or have gone through soul searching or spiritual enlightenment or self reflection. Queen of Pentacles, Capricorn energy is out here. Queen of Pentacles, a very abundant individual, someone that's like nurturing, earth sign. Okay, we also have the Queen of Wands out here. Okay, so it's like double relationships or something like that. It like clarify this Queen of Wands. I'm seeing this person being left out in the cold or something, or going through some sort of financial hardship. Someone experiencing some sort of negative changes. Yeah, Nine of Swords, regret. Somebody wanting to communicate is what I'm seeing here. I'm seeing someone communicating, especially when it comes to unexpected finances or some sort of windfall or something like that. Because we got the Ten of Pentacles. This is like some sort of solid foundation. I'm seeing a new beginning here. There's some sort of new beginning after a period of feeling confined. And I'm seeing a breakup. There was some sort of breakup to a marriage or a breakup to some sort of long-term relationship or some sort of commitment with a father figure or a husband. It seems like this person is coming out as some sort of player. All right. And I'm seeing you guys being moved to calmer waters. Anything else? Seeking. Yeah, it seems like somebody has been like patient, working on something, patiently working on something, perfecting something, hard at work, manifesting with the magician, bringing something into reality. That's what I'm showing here. Anything else? Mm-hmm. I'm also seeing overwhelmed. It may have been somebody may have been feeling overwhelmed, wanting or needing some sort of solitude. And I'm seeing there's some sort of transformation, some sort of spiritual transformation. I'm seeing where somebody's letting go and there's a new beginning, someone having inner strength. There's an energy of confidence and overcoming a lot of self-doubt. Wounded warrior learning some sort of lesson. Uh-huh. I'm seeing the last standing. Yeah, clarifying those Nine of Wands is the Nine of Cups. 99 is definitely significant, or 999. I'm seeing you being very protective with your energy. And I'm seeing that there's a wish, some sort of wish fulfillment here, a wish come true. I'm seeing an energy of you guys being happy. There's an energy of being cheerful. We got the Nine of Pentacles out here, 999. It has something to do with your creativity or something you're doing creative. I'm seeing a new beginning, a new job, or something like that. And I'm seeing you where you are persevering or having some sort of advantage. There's an energy of success. You may be obtaining some sort of recognition, some sort of award or something like that. Some sort of recognition. Yeah, and judgment is here, where there is some sort of renewal. All of this is happening unexpected. It seems like there is an energy of you getting. I'm seeing things being given to you. There's an energy of you obtaining. This is your time to receive. We got the Wheel of Fortune out here. We got the High Priestess out here. Trust your intuition. But again, you got this energy of good luck. There's energy of chance here. Good karma. And I feel like wherever you are, you already have an inner knowing. Coming out, clarifying, seeking physically. It seems like you're very intuitive. You have a strong inner knowing. You already obtained spiritual insight. You stepped into your spirituality. I'm seeing a closing to a cycle. I'm seeing I'm seeing success here, some sort of achievement that you're about to accomplish, where you're able to feel whole, reaching some sort of goal of yours. Is what I'm seeing here. Y'all have a good one.
Can't keep going back to what I used to know.